Hi, welcome to my how-to video on how to use the Elements of Poetry test review flashcards. It's pretty easy. So when you open it, you'll want to make it a slideshow version. You won't want it on the editor version. You'll want it on slideshow to do like a true review. So similar to like in the olden days when you would get these like index cards and you would make your own flashcards out of them, like putting the vocab word here and then the definition on the back. This is kind of like that, just a digital version. And so this is how to use it. So the front screen is here. This would be like the vocab word side of the flashcard. And if you want to review a certain vocab word, just think of what you think the definition is. So let's say I want to review what is a metaphor, and I'm thinking, and then I want to check and see if I'm right. I click metaphor, and it will take me to the definition page with the example and the definition. And a metaphor, of course, is a comparison of two things, not using like or as. And so this would be the same thing as having these flashcards where the word metaphor would be here and you're looking at it and you're trying to think, okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? And then you flip it over to see if you're right. On the back would be the definition. This is just the digital version of that. And so when you want to go back to the front screen, you'll want to click this arrow and it'll take you back to the original screen. So let's say you just tested metaphor and you're like, okay, now I want to see if I remember what alliteration is. So I'm thinking, what is the definition of alliteration? Okay, I'm ready, click, and then I see if I got it right or wrong by reviewing this slide here. And then if I want to review another vocab word, I can just click back. So that's how to use it. I would use this for review before our test, just to make sure that you really know these definitions and you're able to not only know the definitions of the words or vocab words, but also be able to recognize examples. If you were given a poem, you would be able to recognize examples similar to the examples on the slides themselves. So use this as a resource to help you study for our test, and good luck.